lanjut, along the way, they meet many sick people who had never seen a doctor before. They help people home where they could with what they had. Nah, isi tas Dr. Cynthia itu ada scalpel, pisau bedah, stethoscope, dan termometer. What did Dr. Cynthia have in her bag? Apa yang dimiliki Dr. Cynthia di dalam tasnya? Pisau bedah, stethoscope, termometer. Betul sekali. When she arrived in Thailand, Dr. Cynthia met many refugees like herself. They had many injuries and illness, and they had very little money. Dr. Cynthia wanted to help them, so she opened a clinic in Mysore, a town on the border between Thailand and Burma. Why did Dr. Cynthia open a clinic? Mengapa Dr. Cynthia membuka klinik? Karena dia ingin membantu orang sakit. Ya, betul sekali. At first, the clinic was only a small or concrete house with dirt floors. She cleaned her medical tools using a rice cooker. Awalnya, klinik itu hanya sebuah rumah beton tua, kecil dengan lantai tanah. Dia membersihkan alat medisnya menggunakan penanak nasi. Wow. Most of the patients were students and young people with malaria, diarrhea, and gunshot-wound. Sebagian besar pasien yang ditangani oleh Dr. Cynthia adalah siswa dan anak muda yang menderita malaria, diare, dan luka tembak. They gave free treatment to patients. She and her team lived simple and worked very hard. Mereka memberikan pengobatan gratis kepada para pasien. Dia dan timnya hidup sederhana dan bekerja sangat keras. Did she give free treatment to patient? Apakah dia memberikan pengobatan gratis kepada pasien? Ya, betul sekali, Dr. Cynthia. She helped them for free.
Gratis.
Many years later, Dr. Cynthia became very well known. She won many international awards for her leadership and dedication to helping refugees. Her clinic now helps hundreds of thousands of people every year. Okay, what is the moral value of this story? Lihat, apa nilai moral yang dapat kita ambil dari cerita ini? Kita harus membantu orang lain. Ya, apalagi tanggung jawab. Ya.
Berani.
Ya, betul sekali.
Brave.
Apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya berani?
Brave.
Kalau baik hati?
Kind.
Kalau bertanggung jawab?
Responsible.
Sekali. Nah, rangkuman pembelajaran hari ini itu mempelajari kosakata baru, membaca kisah dan dialog, menjawab pertanyaan bahasa Inggris, dan menemukan nilai moral. Nah, today we have learned about the healer. We learn new vocabulary, read the story, answer question,